This is a once-in-a-century endeavor, the Grand Paris Express. It stands as Europe's most ambitious infrastructure initiative, a $45 billion railway system burrowed beneath the streets of Paris, spanning over 200 kilometers. The statistics are staggering. With 68 novel stations, the addition of 4 cutting-edge automated metro lines, and the extension of 2 existing lines, the network anticipates ferrying 3 million passengers daily, slashing commute times by up to half an hour. The crown jewel is a colossal 76-kilometer loop connecting the city's outskirts for the first time. Tunnel boring machines, stretching 100 meters in length, were operating at their peak, advancing by 12 meters each day. This project is monumental in every aspect and is poised to revolutionize Paris. Paris epitomizes revolution, a city woven with the fabric of change. Throughout history, France's capital has undergone numerous profound metamorphoses. Between 1853 and 1870, Napoleon I famously razed the medieval neighborhoods, paving the way for the iconic boulevards we cherish today. This new railway project mirrors that transformative spirit, marking the next chapter in Parisian evolution. Presently, Paris Metro primarily serves the central districts, posing a significant challenge. Paris transcends its 20 arrondissements. It sprawls into a megacity, housing an estimated 7.2 million inhabitants. Public transportation, particularly the metro, holds the key to unlocking the potential of disconnected regions, forging new hubs, much like London's renowned Tube and China's ambitious metro systems, linking cities like Shanghai and Beijing. The flagship feature of Paris Rail Renaissance directly addresses this centralization dilemma. Line 15, a monumental 76-kilometer circular route, will interlace the southern and eastern suburbs with Saint-Denis to the north and the bustling business hub of La Défense to the west. This expansive loop circumnavigates the city's periphery, enabling travel not just to and from the core but also between suburban nodes, poised to ignite regeneration and economic growth. Paris is poised to transition from a unicentric to a multicentric metropolis, a democratization of urban infrastructure, a revolution powered by trains. Proposals for this mega-development stretch way back to 2007, but construction of the new lines began in June 2015 and is being carried out in several phases right up to 2030. Fully automated, driverless trains will run on the new network at an average speed of 60 kilometers an hour, nearly double that of the current Paris Metro, a move that could go a long way to solving the driver shortages experienced on some lines. An incredible 75% of the network will run underground in 2-lane subway tunnels, and that's meant an immense tunnel boring operation. Out of sight, beneath the feet of Parisians, 100-meter-long tunnel boring machines are creating tunnels at a rate of 10 to 12 meters a day. That's 3 kilometers a year. To get the TBMs to their boring depth, they are first lowered in pieces down shafts along the route of the tunnel. Once on site, these massive machines are fully assembled below the streets of Paris. The TBMs then excavate, support and line the tunnels with concrete as they move forward, leaving behind a safely completed tunnel, ready for the mechanical, electrical and computer systems to be installed. While initial hopes had this entire project wrapping up before the 2024 Olympics, a more realistic aim has since been adopted. Now, just the first bit, which includes the extension to Line 14, will open in time for Games, helping ease the burden of the anticipated 16M tourists that are anticipated to descend on Paris for the Olympics. The past few years have seen Paris go to great pains to revitalize itself as one of Europe's most sustainable cities, and the new metro plays into the messaging for the 2024 Games extremely well. The Green Games for a greener city. By 2030, Paris aims to be 50% green spaces, an enormous leap from the 9.5% it currently has, and the French government has set itself the goal of cutting carbon emissions by 27.6 million tons by 2050. It's doing that in part by returning roads to the people and taking cars off the streets. The Grand Paris Express will help remove the need for 150,000 vehicles, helping the city to cut its carbon footprint in time. With great swathes of this city becoming reachable on public transport, the government is hoping the benefits of a cheap and efficient metro will far outweigh the costly and frustrating process of driving through the city in peak hour.